Hello student, how you are? Fine. In class 3, we have learned logo, isn't it? But we have created lots of symbols. We have learned many commands. What are those commands? Just to remind it, FD to move forward, then back to move back, RT to right turn, LT to left, and PU in up, PD pen down. In this way, we have learned many commands. Now, in class 4, we will be learning something new is in logo. Earlier, we don't know how we can display our name or any text in our logo screen. Today, we will learn those, and we also will learn mathematical calculation using logo. Writing with logo. In our last class, class 3, in our class 3, we have learned this command FD. FD is used for move any line. So if I give FD 100 means our turtle will move 100 steps. So while we move 100 steps, if I want to turn the turtle, I can use the command RT. RT is called right turn. So we have learned many commands: FD, RT, LT, back, PU, PD, and repeat. These are the commands mostly we used. So if I want to turn it, we will be use RT90. Now if I want to move again, FD100. Again I want to turn, then RT90. Again I want to draw a line, FD100. Again I want to turn, FD100. What happened? One square is made. So FD help us to draw a line, and RT help us to draw a turtle. I'm sure you know the logo screen, isn't it? The logo screen, this screen is called to insert the command inside it. So that means whatever command you are giving to draw and logo, the command should be typed on command input box. I've already typed here, and now whatever command I have typed, this all is visible in this box for other past for some reason. So this box is called recall box, recall list box. Now see here, to draw this square, what I did, I have written every 100 RT90. This set of command I have written how many times? 4 times. FD100 RT90, FD100 RT90, FD100 RT90, and FD100. RT91 we could give it so that I can get my turtle in the same place. So for drawing any squares, we have used the same sets of command repeatedly, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So instead of that, if I write repeat command, it can be written in one time only. So what we have to do repeat command, we have to write repeat. And how many times I have repeated here? 4 times. What I have repeated here? FD100, RT90. That's it only. Now let me erase it, CS. And again let me write repeat 4 FD100 and RT 90. So instead of 4 times similar commands, we can use repeat command. So this is the way we can do it. Now we will learn how we can use pin up and pin down. I need to move. This turtle is in home now. This center point of the screen is called home. Now I want to go to up, but I don't need any line. So what I will do, I'll up my pin. If normally if we go, then we need to do the FD. But if you do FD, what will happen? If you do FD, there will be line. If you do FD, what will happen? There will be a line in between. But I don't want any line. So in that case, what we have to do? I have to do our pin up. So just write PU. PU, the short form of pin up. PU means pen is up. Now it will move FD 100. Now it will be FD 100. See, turtle has moved, but there is no line. Now I want to turn my turtle at T, 90. Here I need one line. So what I will do? I need to back my pen. So it is PD. We did pen up, PU, pen up. Now I need to drop the pen down. So it is PD, FD 100. See, first time there was no line, but this time there is a line. That means pen, if you do your pen up, what will happen? There will be no line. If you do the pen down, there will be line. Now, this was the last year. We have all learned it. Now we have to do our this chapter. This chapter is all about writing the text. How we will write any text over there? There is a command called label. After label, if you give a bracket, now you write math calculator. Math calculator. What happened? This is a writing on math calculator. But this line is vertically done. Now, if you want a horizontal line, what you will do? While we use label command, we need to remember one thing, that a turtle has two parts. We all know that first part is head and the below part is called tail. Turtle, in which direction head is there, that means in which direction turtle is there, in the same direction line will be there. So what I have to do? If I need to draw a vertical line, then either I need to LT 90 or RT 90. Both are the vertical side. So horizontal side. If I need to draw a horizontal line, what I have to do? I have to do LT 90 or RT 90, anyone. I'm doing RT 90. So now turtle facing is a different direction. Now you write label. LABEL, label. Then we need to remember our logo is not a case sensitive. You can do the command with anything, either capital or small. So then, but turtle did not move this place. If I want to draw a line here, or if I want to write from now here, what I will do? Just end of this letter, what I do? I need to take my turtle over there. So if I take my turtle over there without up my pen, what will happen? There will be line. So I want to go, but it won't be, but there will be no line in between. So what I have to do? I have to use PU. Now I will do FD. I just take it 150. Just the assumption that it will take 150. No, turtle is not taking. So I have to be here. So what I'll do? More 50 line I'll go. That's fine. That means altogether 200 we have to take in. Now I need to turn my turtle. But in this case, turning will be left turn, not the right turn. So it will be LT, LT, 90. So my turtle is in upside. Now I can write the command. How I'll write it? Using the command label math calculator. And still turtle is in your place. So what I have to do? I have to take this turtle. In there, the length was 200 just a few minutes before we have done. So what I'll do, what I will do, I'll take my turtle. If I'll take my turtle on that place, but before that, I need to down my pen, PD. Now I can take, now I need to up my pen, PU. And then I can FD 90, FD 1, no 200. FD 200 will take it. Now turtle has gone here. So I have to do LT. LT 90. Again I can write the label command. So same command, now it's ready. But same commands I'm writing repeatedly. Instead of this, what I can do, I can join a single command. Which command? Yes, you are right. It is using repeat command. How many times I have repeated? I have repeated 4 times. What I did, I first wrote the label, then what was that? Math calculator. Repeat 4. Then label math calculator. Then what? Repeat 4 label math calculator. After that, what I need? I need to turn my turtle. That is FD. No, first I need to, instead of first I need to turn my turtle. Turn my turtle, but we can do PU, pen up. Repeat commands, we can use repeat command. Using this repeat commands, how we will do it, let me see. So what I will do, this is CT, so clear the screen. Repeat command can be used to draw the before pictures. Repeat 4 times and then RT, no, it will be FD, label first, math calculator, math calculator. After that, what happened? Pen up, then FD 200. After that, what will happen? It need to turn also. So pen is up, line has gone, so we will do PD. Then what will happen? We need to turn RT 90. The same thing which I did 4 times. So now I am doing it in a single time. The same symbol has been done. We will see one more symbol now. Repeat 5, label math calculator, then PU FD 200 RT 72. I want to draw a pentagon. So how many times this line will happen? This line should happen for 5 times. So it should be repeat 5. Done. So let me give the enter and let me see how it's happening. See, using repeat command. But these sets of command, label math calculator, PU FD 200, RT 72, and we can do PD as well. Without PD also it will work, but PD is optional, but you can give PD after RT. Same thing happen, and you like it? Now we will do, or we will learn some maths calculator. In this maths calculations, you need to remember one thing. Till now, whatever drawing we have done, the drawing was on main screen, but the print use it for recall. It displays on the recall list box. How? We will see like this. Class 10. Now we have a mathematical calculations of few calculations we are having. So few operators we are having. We are having 4 operators, isn't it? We are having 4 operators like plus, minus, division, and multiplication. So we will be using these 4 operators. Along with, we need to use what? We need to use our along this 4 maths calculator, we will be learning the functions. What are the functions we'll be learning? In these functions, we'll see and do it. To add for additions, what we will do, we can, any mathematical calculations, the main function is plus. How we will do plus? We have to do print command. Whatever we will do, we have to use print command. In the print command, we can use PR or we can use print. PR is a short form. So print, then if I add 2 plus 5, it should be 7 and it should be displayed on the recall list box. See, it is displaying 7. Now if I do print 8, comma, space actually, 8 plus, give a big number, 458. See, it is 466. Now instead of this operator, we can use sum command. Same way, print sum. Here you have to do space, 2 space 5, because we need not to use any operator because we are using function. See, it should give the same result which it is given in first time. Okay, print sum 2 5. There will be no brackets. Yeah, I did my mistake. Print will be used print sum 2 print sum 2 space 3 should give 5. Yes, it is displaying 5. Again, print sum same way it will display whatever number you will give, the addition will show here. Now the command is minus. If I do print to print, then 9 minus 3. Should be 6. Yes, 6 is displaying. Again print 12 minus 5. It should be 7. Now the print function is difference. Difference. First I have to write print. Then I have to write difference. Then I need to do the number 5, 6. I have to use 6, 5. Difference print. Difference 6 and 5. So print difference is 1. Now if I use one more time print difference, a big number 89 and another big number 72. Same differences should be given. Yes, result is 70, 17. Now, so we have learned print command, we have learned addition and subtraction. Now we will learn multiplication. In this multiplication symbol is star. Multiplication symbol is star. What we can do, we can use print, then 5 into 4, 20. Again we can do print 6 into 8, 48. So this symbol, you can use it for the print command. Instead of this, also we can use our function, that is print multiplication function is product. Multiplication function is product. Product 4, 5. Same result is coming. Print product 6, 8. The same results will come here. I did some mistakes, I guess. Print product P-R-O-U P-R-O-D-U product. Now you can do the big one. 6, 7 or 78, any big number. 468 it came. Same way we can do division. The division format is, you need to remember this division symbol is slash. So what we can do, 45 minus 4, 11.25, or we can do 78 divided by 2. This symbol is called, this slash is called division symbol. So for divisions, we have two types of things. One is quotients, another is remainder. Quotients is for giving the result of this, and remainder is after divisions, if you something some remainder is left, that will be displayed by the remainder. Like print quotient 45 and 3. 15 by 15 came. It came 15. In this 15, again we can do it. I can show print quotient. Spelling you need to remember. Okay, otherwise there will be many problems. 4, 24. So the result is 5. Now, if I want to find the remainder, print remainder is 45 divided by 3. So if I use remainder, print remainder, for the remainder, what I will do, print remainder 56 by 2. So remainder will be 0. There will be no remainder. 59 by 2. So there is no remainder here. 59. Spelling is more important because if you do not do the correct spelling, the computer will display result like this just now, which I did. I don't know how to do p remainder here. Actually, by mistake p is there, so there is a mistake. There is a mistake, that is a writing mistake. As soon as command you do it in a, like, there is a mistake in your statement. If it is a text, like you want to display your name, if there is a mistake, it's okay, computer will execute. But in command, if there is a mistake, this message will come. So what you have to do, you have to type it once again. Now I want to show you something else. Now I want to display a text. Along with the print command, I want to display the text. So I can do print. The label commands is used to display the text in a main screen. But here we are not displaying the text. To display the text, what you have to do, we have to do use print command, and then the same way we have used label command. So math calculator is done. Now what happened? It's displaying math calculator. Now I want to do additions of 4 and 5. And I want to write like this way. The addition of 4 and 5 is then the result. So what I have to do? I have to do print the addition of two number 4 and 5 is, up to that, this need to come on the screen. See, the entire line came on the screen. Now if I do print 4, 5. So what we have learned today? We have learned two new commands. What are those? First, we have learned two commands. One is label, another is print. Print is used to display the mathematical functions, and label is used to display the text on the screen. Now we can create pattern using text. Also, we have learned the calculations in logo. Calculations such as addition, subtraction, then multiplication, division. Simultaneously, we have learned the functions. Using those functions, we can do mathematical calculation. What are the functions we have learned? We have learned sum, we have learned differences, we have learned product, and we have learned quotients and remainder. So practice it at home and create nice symbol and the mathematical calculations.